Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check your subscriptions and memberships on your account in YouTube. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First, go to the App Store and in the search bar type YouTube. Make sure the YouTube app is updated to the latest version. If you see an update button, tap on it and wait for the update to finish. Once the app is updated, open the YouTube app on your device. Now tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon in the top right corner. Inside settings, you will see an option called Purchases and Memberships. Simply tap on it. Here you will be able to see all your active subscriptions and channel memberships. You can also check payment details, renewal dates, and manage or cancel memberships if you want. This feature is very useful if you want to keep track of your paid subscriptions or check which creators you are supporting. That's it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.